Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 2, and y equals 2. The second point has x equals -12, and y equals -5.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 2 to x equals -12, the run is -14. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 2 to y equals -5, the rise is -7.
Slope is rise divided by run, -7 over -14, which simplifies to 1 over 2. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is 1 over 2, x1 is 2, and y1 is 2.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.